Hello friends and welcome to Net Forum. Today we are going to discuss the concept of list of strings. That means when we have a list of strings, then how we work on them and how we handle out different type of operations on list of strings, right? Firstly, let us take a string s equal to, suppose let's take a name, say let's take a string hello world, just take it, I would say hello, simple hello. Now it is a simple string known as hello. If we have to print HELLO separately, then to do that thing in C and C++, we have to do hell lot of things, like we have to use the function known as caret and something like that, and keep on using in the loop. But here in Python we just have to do this thing: for I in S print I. That will print HELLO in a very simple way. Similarly, we can also directly slice this string S, like we can use S 0 to 2. That will give me the output 0. Now here we can divide it into blocks, HELLO, right? 0, as we have discussed, 0, 1, 2, 3 and this 4. 0 to 4 means 0 and 1 will going to be print, that means H and he will going to be the output. Similarly, if we have S 1 to 4, then what will be the output? It will be 1 S1, sorry, it is E L L. Similarly, S 1 to 2 will get only E. So what is the purpose of saying is that how you can see that how easily we can manipulate the characters of a simple string or characters of a word. And can we do the same thing with a big string also? Yes, of course we can do that thing. In the next example, we will see that suppose we have a big string given to us, then how we can work on it and how we can divide it into small parts and we're going to manipulate that particular string. So to do that, we have taken example hello how are you. So this is our string hello how are you. Now if we feed the same string in this for loop, we're going to have the output as follows. Now but before that, there is something more we have to do. That will give me HELLO, then space HOW, HELLO, space will be there, HOW, then space ARE, space YOU. Yeah. But this is one way of representation. Now let us convert it into more appropriate way. Then what we will do? We will use a function known as split, s dot split, and we split it where we will find the spaces, right? So split on the basis of spaces. It will create a list which we will not see, but the list will be like something like that. It will be HELLO hello, comma how, comma R, comma U, right? Now if we want, we can see that also. For to see that, either you can use printf or either you can use print L if you are working on IDE, that is integrated development environment, or if you are working on command prompt, then what you will do, you simply write L and press the enter. Working on command prompt of Python known as Python shell, right? So what happens that this L will going to be like this. So for time being I am running this, so your L will be like this, right? So what now when you write for I in L print, you write I, then what will be the output you will get? You will get hello, how, then R, and then U. You can also iterate, or you can also directly access each and every alphabet of this string by nested looping. Let us see now. This is one thing. Now if I will write for I in L, for J in I, and I write print J dot say upper is used to print the characters in the uppercase. Now what will then happen? This I will pick this hello, right? So hello will come here in the first execution, right? Hello will come here. Now each and every character will be accessed one by one. So what will be the output? Each and every H, E, L, L, O will come in the first execution of this whole loop. When I will iterate, it will go to how, then how will come here, HOW, it will again going to print it in the capital letter, how, then R will come here, and R will going to print it A, R, E, and then similarly U will come here, Y, O, U. So iteration, within the iteration, that is nested looping, will going to be there. So you can see that this is a simple string, and how easily we have iterated it by using just two loops and this function. By using just these two loops and this function, I have easily accessed this whole string and converted it into the uppercase, right? Now if you want to join it again, how you will do that? To join, you just have to use print dot join L. What it will do? It will go into wherever it will. Okay, it will be comma. Sorry. Right. So wherever in L it will see this comma, it will going to join all those strings. And if you run it on the command prompt, or now since I have written print, you have to run it on the IDE only. And if you don't write print, then you can directly run it on the command prompt also by creating a reference variable, that is suppose put it as equal to k equal to this syntax, then you can directly directly run it on the command prompt also. But for the time being, let us see that suppose you are running it on the IDE, print this syntax. So this syntax will going to, wherever it will going to see comma, it will going to join those values of L, and the output will be simply hello, how are you, right? So join is used to join those separated list of strings, and split is used to split a particular string into a list of strings, right? So these are two important variables which are two important functions which are being used extensively in strings when we work on them, when we manipulate them, when we do a lot of working on them. So slicing can be used. You have seen that how slicing are being used in a very easy way, and how can we directly use slicing on a simple string also, and how can we convert a string into a set of small words and put them together. We can do a lot of operations, very simple to access strings than compared to other languages. With more videos and with more updates, we will be available soon to you. If you like this channel, then please subscribe it and be with me. Thank you very much.